Hi there. In the previous video, we have created a Power Automate to fetch the tested count based on the country name. In this video, we will add some of the functionality to the PVA. We will add the infected, recovered, and disease count in such a way that the chatbot can able to handle such things. In order to do that, we need to create separate topics for each functionality, and we will create a variable for each functionality. So let's create a variables here. So for the infected, I'll quickly go and create a variable, and we'll create as a string, initializing the variable for infected count string. Let me copy this and paste this again, and this one will be the record one. So I quickly create a record one. We need to create another one, so I'm pasting the same for the deceased count. So we have created 4 variables now. We need to assign the values in it. So on the parse JSON, we'll get values on the condition here when the country is matching. I will set this value. We already set a test count. Same wise, we will copy this and paste it again. Here, we need to select the other variable. So I search for deceased count. So this is for, and I add another one, and we need to convert that for text count. And we are the last one for the infected count. So we have created 4 variables and we just assign the values here. Now we need to pass that back to our PVA. So I created a text field. It should be infected count. This should be the variable infected count. Again, I will create another one for recovered count. And the last one for deceased count. So we have assigned the values here, and remember we encountered an issue earlier because we are not able to convert that into a string. So here I remove this and I will try to add the string conversion here. For that, we need to convert that into a string. So we need the tested count from the item. So I click on this item. Let me write it on the expression. So we need a string. We need to convert the tested count. So I'm just adding that empty tags. We need to get the field name here. I go here, I copy that field, I paste here. So for apply to each this item, it is going to fetch the tested count for this particular item. So I'm just copying this for the later use and click on OK. The same thing we need to do for deceased as well. So I go here and copy the field name, I paste and hit OK. The next one is recovery count. I go here, recovered. I come back here and change the field to recovered. I do the same thing for infected count. There you go. We have updated the string and we have done the changes now. I'll save this Power Automate and we go back to our virtual agent, and we can create 3 different topics. One is for deceased, one is for recovered, and one is for infected. So this will be for infected. Please show me. Please show me how many are infected COVID. Okay. How many are infected COVID-19? So I go to the authoring canvas. So we will design in such a way that it will reply back only the infected count. We have to do the same thing for the other count also. Please enter the country name, and we will ask the question. I delete this and ask us a question. Then we will be getting that value for the country, and country name. And next one, we need to call our action. That will be our get count. Here you can see we are getting all the 4 counts. So we need to show infected count for the country name is infected count. We have got an error. Oh, here we need to pass some values here. So I'm just passing the country name to our Power Automate and saving that. Now our PVA can able to handle the infected count. Let me create the other topics for the other two. I will speed this video a little bit quicker so that you don't have to wait for me to create all the other things. We have successfully created the different topics now, and we will go and publish this. Now our chatbot can able to handle all the 4 following details. So let's test it for Iran. Hi, how many recovered from COVID-19? It's asked for the country name, so I'm just typing. It's Iran. If our code is working fine, we will get the output as on the API. Yeah, chatbot is typing something. Great. The total record count is 3539035. If I go here, see this is 3513. The API is getting updated on each and every time. So if I refresh that API, 3539035. So this API is getting updated each and every hour. So we are getting the latest data now on the PVA. You can also create a topic for covering all these 4 topics. Something like you can request the country name from the user. As soon as you get the country name, you can able to find these details and show up here. Thank you so much.